Welcome to J&J's test video of T3CE018. This is a 2003 Z06 Corvette hardtop. Really well taken care of. Had a set of CDSL views on it. The engine's been modified, as you can tell. It is nasty sounding. The shifter's very tight. It engages first and reverse work. I can't drive it. As you can see, it just wants to crab off. Show you the inside. The interior is very nice, except for some cat prints. Door panels are nice. Console's nice. Z06 seats. This was a very nice car. A-pillar moldings are cracked like all the Z06s. We got her just lumping away in there. It's so loud. Ridiculously loud. Here's our seats. They move. All the bolsters work. Oh, this one doesn't have bolsters. I thought it did. I've not seen that. That's a Z06 without power bolsters. Window switch.